Next problem number 3. A factory works on the standard costing system. The standard estimate of material for the manufacture of 1000 units of A commodity is 400 kgs at rupees 2.5 per kg. Actually, there is 400 kgs and 2.5 per kg. When 2000 units of the commodity are manufactured, it is found that 820 kgs of material is used at rupees 2.6060 per kg. Calculate material cost variance. Calculate material cost variance. The calculation of standard quantity equal to, that is 1000 units of a commodity is required 400 kgs. Okay, and the standard price is 2.5 per kg. That is for 1000 units. For 1000 units, it's required 400 kgs of material. 400 kgs of material. Okay, so 400 kgs of material. That is the standard. అంటే 1000 యూనిట్స్ మనం ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయాలి అని అంటే 400 కేజెస్ ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్ అనేది మనకు అవసరం ఉంటుంది. మరి యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్స్ వెన్ 2000 యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద కమోడిటీ ఆర్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్డ్, అంటే 1000 యూనిట్స్కి 400 కేజెస్ స్టాండర్డ్. మరి ఒకవేళ 2000 అయితే మరి స్టాండర్డ్ ఎంత? మరి 2000 యూనిట్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ ప్రొడ్యూస్డ్ 2000 యూనిట్స్ అయితే మరి ఎన్ని కేజెస్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ ద స్టాండర్డ్ వన్. So that is cross verification, that is 2000 divided by 1000 into 400 kgs, which is equal to cross multiplication cheyandi, 2000 divided by 1000 into 400, okay, which is equal to 800 kgs of material. 800 kgs of material is required as per standard. Okay, this is a standard quantity SQ. Here SQ equal to 800 kgs and SP standard price equal to 2.50 per kg. 2.50 per kg. And when 2000 units of the commodity are manufactured, it is found that 820 of kgs of material is consumed. అంటే 2000 యూనిట్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయడానికి ఎన్ని కేజెస్ పట్టింది? 820 కేజెస్ ఈజ్ కన్జ్యూమ్డ్. దట్ ఈస్ యాక్చువల్ క్వాంటిటీ ఈక్వల్ టు 820 కేజెస్. యాక్చువల్ క్వాంటిటీ ఈక్వల్ టు 820 కేజెస్ అండ్ యాక్చువల్ ప్రైస్ ఈజ్ 2.60 per kg. 2.60 per kg. With the help of these values, we should be compute material cost variance. Material cost variance equal to standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price, which is equal to, if you substitute the values, standard quantity 800 kgs into standard price 2.5 per kg minus actual quantity is 820 kgs into actual price 2.60 per kg, which is equal to 800 into 2.5, 2000 rupees minus 820 into 2.6, which is equal to 2132, which is equal to minus of 132 is called as adverse. Okay, whenever the values is in the minus, then it is adverse. Adverse means it is opposite to the whatever we are expected, means it's more than the expected values, more than the standard one here. Okay, actually we are expected up to 2000 rupees, but it's incurred 2132 rupees. So hence it's more than the standard is, okay, standard actual values is more than the standards, hence it is adverse. Okay, Next, problem number 4, solution. Calculate material price variance of products A and B. There is a two products are given in this. That is standard price 5 for A and for B it is 8 rupees, and actual price 6 for A and 7.5 for B, and units produced for A it's a 600 units, and if it is a B, that is 500 units. 500 units. This is the actual quantity. Units produced means it is actual quantity. We can assume it is actual quantity. Okay, not assumed. It's units produced means that is actual quantity only. Whatever the number of units output, that is actuals only. Okay, so here it is given two components, that is two materials, two types of materials. Okay, whenever it is given like this, we should be compute individually. For A, you should be compute differently, and B should be compute differently. Finally, you should be add both the ones. Okay, whatever the price variance of A and price variance of B, we should be added. Okay, so price variance formula is material price variance actual quantity into standard price minus actual price. Okay, you should be perfect all those formulas whatever we discussed in the formulas and the introduction one. Okay, so whenever you perfect, then this chapter is very easy. If you don't know the formulas, it's very difficult to learn. This is the chapter. Okay, before going to problems, you should be thorough the formulas. So that is material price variance of A, which is equal to actual quantity of A is 600 units into standard price is 5 per unit minus actual price is 6 per unit. Okay, which is equal to 600 into minus 1, which is equal to 600 adverse, which is equal to 600 adverse, because of it is a minus of minus 1 of 600 equal to minus only, minus 600, it is indicates adverse. Okay, next B actual quantity 500 units and standard price 8 minus actual price 7.5, which is equal to 500 into 0.5, which is equal to 250 favorable, 250 favorable. So whenever it is a plus, okay, we should be add both the values, but whenever it is a given adverse, is there any another one favorable, we should be minus it. Okay, so for example, it is a minus value, it is plus value, hence okay, we should be add both the ones. Okay, but here there is a minus value, no, we should be deduct the two values, that is 600 minus 250, 600 minus 250 equal to 350 adverse, because of minus value is more, so that is 250 minus 600, which is equal to minus 250, hence it is adverse. Okay, that is only the material price variance of the value, material price variance value.